There are many home remedies online on how to exfoliate face, but do you know which face exfoliator is the best? Today we are going to share you some best exfoliator for face and body. If you want to expand your skincare routine beyond cleansing, moisturizer, and sunscreen, good exfoliators is a good next step. You might be tired of using those best drugstore exfoliator from market, which may give you best result or side effects. So why don't you apply some natural face exfoliator or natural face scrub to have 100% effective and permanent result? And the best thing is you can use them as body scrub or body exfoliator as well. We all know how beneficial is natural sugar scrub for face. It is actually a natural gentle abrasive which helps to remove dead skin from your face, lips and body to restore and refresh tired clogged pores. Skin exfoliation helps your skin to look youthful and radiant. Honey sugar scrub is considered as the perfect combination for skin scrubber to enhance your beauty. The vitamin C in grapes helps to repair the skin. Even if you have oily or combination skin, moisturizing is a necessary part of a skin care routine, especially after exfoliating with a face scrub. This combination of honey and purple grapes makes it the best exfoliator for sensitive skin also. Pamper your skin with amazing homemade body scrubs which are ideal for use on dry skin. The best exfoliator for dry skin should have moisturizing ingredients. And to do this, best coconut oil is a perfect choice, which is a great exfoliating cleanser and naturally antibacterial, antifungal and moisturizing. You can store this natural exfoliator in the fridge for weeks. This exfoliating scrub is going to be the best body exfoliator. You know all of the 10,000 ways you can take care of the skin on your face, but what about your body? If your current routine stops at body wash and lotion, consider adding a exfoliating body scrub. Not only does it exfoliate the skin to reveal a smoother look and feel, but it adds an extra layering of pampering to your day-to-day regimen. The lemon juice alone can scrub off dead skin cells. Adding the sugar takes it to the next level of exfoliation. We all need the best exfoliating scrub, so why not choose one with natural properties to buff all those pesky lines and dry skin? A coffee scrub will help to eliminate dead skin while working with your body's natural renewal process to produce new skin cells, which creates the glowing effect everyone wants. Alongside the exfoliation, oily skin relies on a good cleanser to stop the pores from clogging back up. Harsh skincare products like exfoliating cream or some best exfoliating face wash from market strip the natural oils from our skin, which dries skin out and contributes to breakouts. Whereas this exfoliation process removes dead cells from the surface of the skin. As dead cells accumulate, they interfere with light reflection, giving a dull appearance. Exfoliating can help improve skin radiance and even skin tone by giving you bright and glowing skin. There are a number of exfoliating face masks that could be prepared at home using turmeric, because turmeric lessens the oil secretion by the sebaceous glands, and helps in keeping infections at bay. A major component of turmeric has strong antioxidant properties that inhibits free radical production, and hence controls aging by protecting cells from damage and improves skin texture, diminish wrinkles and even out skin tone. Turmeric also helps stimulate new cell growth. This is the best face exfoliator to exfoliate blackheads, soften skin and tighten pores for men and women both when a good skin care routine is followed. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty.